Tnad Sam Boarding Electric jang Khuborjylla Meghalaya Power Generation Development Corporation Limited Mepgdcl hakakhatlai tarik kalalengkot kalapenlong ya ka program ai jing Hikai bekerpang ya ki pat ba nong shong shnong ki basong markhap ya ka Umtru Hydroelectric Power Station bernihat lengba ka project Dam Rehabilitation and Improvement Project Nagabanta ban yada de badru ban sumar yakni ka jaka penmi boarding electric ke sorkar syaki pat ba nong shong shnong ka than bernihan la sedang yakni ka program ajing Hikai pakerpang yakinong lejngo kai perthei bat ki pat ba nong shong shnong ki ba julit sha ka wa Umtru baki dei ban long ki ba husiar bat pikir bha hakapor ba penlaj khamtam hakapor slap khnang ba kinom ngat hakinu ki jingja bas ngausi Hakajuk kapor la ai jing Hikai ru ikinong wan jingok kai perthei bat iki pai ba bakidei ban sumar khoj yakani kawa bat iki jaka penmi boarding electric lamana ban kta daka khti yaki tiar kitar bat ki jingdon jing hakani ke jaka ban laj na kanu ke jing mensau hakani ke jing elang ai jing Hikai uba met ba lengdo menteri ke Tnad boarding ulalong ukongsan kat ba uba sostinus sotun menteri ke Tnad CNRD ulalong usumbut kongsan Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District Abhilash Branwal ki he officer ka Tnad Mepgdcl bat ki pat ba nong shnong kila don lang hakani ka jingelang hakani ka singi la penlong ru ya ka jingat kejat ki khna school ki balara ya ki plakat rengkat ki jing tho ki bakar pat ban sumar kho ya kani ka dam ka badai ka jaka penmi boarding electric ki he ki han kila jurep ya ka jinglong jingman kani ka dam kinong penyat ya kani ka lumpung ai jing Hikai kila penlong ru ya ka jing thung ding sa kan mau ha atat kani ka dam balalam khmat da uba met ba lengdo pat uba sostinu sotun ha kani ka singi
Come. Ayo, em bancaan. Oke, stop.
Either the irrigation dams or the hydropower project related dams. As all of us are aware that the CPMU of the Dam Rehabilitation and Improvement Project which is called DRIP has been the guiding factor for us in conducting these programs, and we are very happy to have amongst us the Honorable Power Minister and the Honorable CNRD Minister in this program. That itself gives an indication that how serious the state government is and about the safety of the dams and how serious we are in maintaining these dams and then creating awareness amongst the public about the issues which are related to dam, especially the downstream villages which might get impacted related to the safety and security and the functioning of these important infrastructure. As we are aware that the Dam Safety Act of 2021, which has been enacted by the Government of India, mandates all the agencies which are manning these dams. In our case, it will be Mepgcl, the Power Generation Corporation of the state, to maintain the highest standards of the safety and accountability. We have been in touch with most of the villages downstream. Whenever we release water, there is a committees which have been formed at the local level. Our officers are in touch with the respective headmen and the rambashnons of the area, especially during the rainy season when we release water. So there is a protocol which has been defined from our side. How do we release water, when we release water, and what is the procedure which needs to be followed when we take up those activities. So the main purpose of this act, which has been a Government of India Act applicable all across the country, is that all the dams across the country, which includes the 9 dams as has been mentioned by our Director Generation also, that we operate them and maintain them, as I mentioned, with the highest standard of the safety and accountability.
A concrete dam in the hell is a critical safety which is organized by Meghalaya Power Generation Corporation Limited under the initiative of the CPMU. These programs focus on educating downstream residents about the risks associated with dam operations and the proactive measures required for risk mitigation. The number of India's dams are aging, making them more vulnerable, while factors like climate change and structural deficiencies heighten the risk. India has itself witnessed dam break disasters in the past, resulting in substantial loss of life and property. That is why this awareness program today is being organized. The safety of dams in Meghalaya is the principal concern of the dams owners in the state, like the Mepgcl, PHC, the NEHU, and others as well. It is of utmost priority of the dam owner to prevent dam failure and its associated risk by strengthening institutional framework for operation and maintenance and educating the public about emergency preparedness and responses to such disastrous events. Regarding structural integrity and hydrology, downstream communities often suffer from critical awareness gaps. The public often view dams as safe areas for recreation, like swimming, boating, fishing, and others, and do not fully understand the dangers posed by swift, turbulent currents near intakes and spillways, and sudden changes in water levels or submerged structures. And also, individuals living downstream may not know if a warning system like sirens, strobes, public announcement exists. How to recognize the signals or the correct actions to take in the event of an emergency. The primary goal of the training is to improve technical skills and expertise among dam safety professionals, and also to ensure public safety by informing and educating the community and especially public who are residing in the downstream of the dams.
So people will realize, will know how important that we should all know about all these, especially related to the dam safety. I nong thong Shillong baro tiwiran ang Khubor, Shillong tiwiran bok, hagawa nilayo ikili program, kini ka awareness program, kaba nagilian ka department, ka Mepgdcl, ipenong ikili ka program, kung manay jingsya pi baro nang taga jinon kam, ya ka sosyan ka jumpi, lali ya ka taga safety ka pangiong, nama ba kung kini ke program kilo kibaran kam bawa piru preventive ba piyo iki advance information na kabenta kuno ba piru piyo iki jera sobrang ay iki jero iki department lalu i honorable minister in charge of power iba Mepgdcl iba Shimpia nangka i chair CMB jongi ba Shimpia nagabenta kuno bang ay ke Hikai ke palba namba mapi baro iba Shillong sa downstream pino ya ki jera lemba ke jintip ke jumpi lemba ke Hikai ba mapi pio hagene kesni